Now, good morning, everybody. And this is Grace from Uganda Chemical, Petroleum and Allied Workers Union. Now, Grace is an expert in chemicals, and she has been a great value for this training. Now, Grace, if a few words, what would be the most important things to workers to know when handling dangerous chemicals?
One of the most important things for them to know is to be careful with the precautions that are provided in the labeling of the chemicals. First thing they need to do is that they need to read the labels on the chemical so that they are able to know which type of chemical they are using. And after understanding, then they need to know that they have to use protective gears to protect themselves, because chemicals are very dangerous and it is dangerous to their life. And we are after them protecting their health, and they have to be safe. So what they need to do, also they need to ensure that they are using appropriate protective gears, and they need to follow the instructions. And they need to ensure that the chemicals they are using is properly followed according to the guidelines that is provided for. Then the next thing they need to do is that they need to make sure that they know what they are supposed to do with those chemicals. Because if chemicals are handled carelessly, it can cause harm to their company and also to their lives. So they need to make sure that before they use the chemicals, they know what they are supposed to use it for, they know the right quantity that they need to use, and also how to handle and what danger they can get.
And if a worker needs help, where can he find help to get this in order on the company? Does it anywhere else he can get some help?
Yes. First of all, as a union, we have a program to sensitize workers, and we guide them, because we have a fully fledged department that handles OSH in Uganda. And so when we get involved with our workers, we normally take them through that sensitization awareness so that they are able to know where to get help. And when, for example, they get in contact with the chemical, and they have been, maybe if they get in, when they get in touch with the chemical, and maybe they have fear that they will be damaged, first thing they need to report to their immediate supervisor, and the investigation is carried out, and the first aid is given to them. Then secondly, they report to Bundi. Also, we have documentation. We have some documentation which can guide them. And in those documentations, there are some printed books on occupational safety and health. And also, we have people from the occupational safety department that can also come and guide them on how to use occupational safety and health. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Grace. That would be a great help. Thank you.